Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Blender unsupported graphics card configuration. If you're getting an error about an unsupported graphics card or driver when using Blender, here's a quick fix for it. First, go to your desktop and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type opengul32.dl and press enter. Scroll down the results until you find the official website for DLL files. Click on that website. Once you're on the page, use the search box on the site to type opengul32.dl and hit search. You will see a list of different versions available for download. Now, you need to make sure you select the correct version based on your system type. To check if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, go back to your desktop, click on the search bar and type About Your PC. Open the System Information page and under System Type, you will see whether your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. Now that you know your system type, go back to the website and scroll down to find the correct version. If your system is 64-bit, download the 64-bit version of the file. If it's 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and extract the file from the compressed folder. After extracting, right-click on the opengul32.dl file and copy it. Next, search for Blender on your computer. Right-click on Blender, select Open File Location, and in the new window that opens, right-click again on Blender's file and select Open File Location once more. Now, paste the copied opengul32.dl file into this folder. Now that the file is pasted, go ahead and open Blender again. Your problem should be fixed, and Blender should work without showing the graphics card error. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.